Got the Silverado here. I'm getting ready to go put exhaust on it. Gonna go ahead and give you a little review on that. Getting ready to put catback exhaust with Flowmaster, put duals on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start her up and let you hear how quiet it is, and hopefully with those catback duals make it sound like a truck. So go ahead and start it up and let you hear it now and see what it sounds like after I get them on there. Pretty doggone quiet. Just don't think it sounds like a truck should. Got a muffler on here about 3 foot long, so hopefully with that new exhaust it'll be nice and loud. Alright guys, got the truck back. Exhaust has turned out pretty good. Definitely a lot smaller than that big monster muffler that was on there. Got the stainless tips coming out the side. Go ahead and fire it up. Rev it up. Oh, girl. Sound like a truck now, woman?
Yep.
Thanks for watching, guys.